Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And in this video, I'll be unboxing yet another Goku doing the Kamehameha. So what I have here is two sets of figures that are essentially the same, but one being released earlier, well, one being released recently. Now this one on the left, I believe, is the original, as the one on the right is the reissue. So I'm pretty excited to see what this holds and then what the reissue holds. I've seen they also reissued Super Saiyan Gohan, the Grandista one. I actually have the original and I bought the reissue. Anyway, enough of that. Show you guys the boxes of both and then unbox both of them. Give my review on the figures and compare them, see how they're different, see how they're the same, and then go on from there. There is a huge difference between the two. You guys can already tell the main differences in the details on them, especially on the left one, the original. Looks really amazing. Obviously, don't get me wrong, the right one does as well, the reissue, but this one just almost like it's out of the manga. Just amazing. This one does wobble a bit, maybe because it stands not on right. Oh my god. So you guys can see all this right here compared to this one. These are more lighter, way darker. The stands, I'm actually gonna leave the stands on. I think it looks pretty cool with them. So the stands, this one being a grayish color, this one being maybe like a turquoise, light blue color. You guys can see from the gi, this one's way lighter than this one. This one's a bit darker. You guys can tell by his symbol as well. So this one is actually kind of a yellowish tint compared to this just being a white tint. Give you guys a quick turn around. So as I mentioned right now, left one's darker, then the right one's lighter. Also his gi, you can tell this one, the one on the right, the reissue is darker in the inner gi, the blue. Also his wristbands, the reissue being lighter and the original being darker. Honestly guys, I think they both look awesome. I prefer the original only because of the effects it has on the hands, the feet, his whole body in general. But this one's more blended in to make it look more realistic. Let me hear, I'll give you guys a quick close-up of it. So here we go. So basically this is kind of giving it the effect of him being injured, I want to say. To prove it, you can see from the right side how they blended in to make it seem like he's injured. You can see his hands, his palms, almost like they're bloodied up. As for this, it's almost like he's praying for Kamehameha. It might be both of them, to be honest. The head is praying for Kamehameha. And that's his energy flowing through him, the ki flowing through him. So from the faces, there's a difference between the faces. Actually, don't see much of a difference. The original being, the mouth being a little bit bigger than the reissue. The hair, I don't see much of a difference either. Do a quick turnaround. So side by side, that one's a bit wiggly. The palms are closer together on the reissue. You see the color differences I mentioned earlier. The gis, the stand, here we go right there. They're both pretty dope figures though. I do not have any of these, so unboxing them for you is a first, and looking at them is a first for me. I do like the originals box, only because you can see him preparing the Kamehameha through the box, so that was pretty dope to see. He's way darker, way tanned in the original, whereas the reissue, it's more lighter tone for Goku. Nonetheless, I think these are both amazing figures. Now they're doing the Kamehameha towards us. Such great figures. I will also compare it quickly to the Grandista Majin Vegeta, which is so beautiful, so beautiful. Push them both back. Vegeta right in the middle. So the Grandistas usually stand around 12 inches or a foot tall, so I'm putting that into account. I'm assuming 8 inches, maybe even 7 or 6. No, I'm gonna say 7. A little bit shorter than the Super Saiyan Goku that I previously unboxed for you guys. And there we are, guys. Super Saiyan Goku from the original to the reissue. I definitely love the both of them. I'm more in love with the original than I am with the reissue, only because of the dark lines. I'm personally not one to like stands with my figures, especially since they can stand by themselves. But these just make it way cool. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing these two figures for you guys. I'm not used to doing side-by-side comparisons from the original to the reissue, so I'm sorry if I lacked a few things in that area. Definitely will happen again something in the near future. Yeah guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.